Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add column lines in Excel step by step. So what we're actually adding here are grid lines, those faint gray lines that show the boundaries between cells. Let me show you how to turn them on. At the top of your screen you'll see the ribbon menu with all the different tabs. Click on the View tab. The ribbon will change to show view-related options. Now look for the Show group in that ribbon. You'll see a few different checkboxes in it. The one you want is called Grid Lines. Click the Grid Lines checkbox. As soon as you check that box, you'll immediately see faint gray lines appear between all the cells in your worksheet. They form a grid pattern across the entire sheet. Your grid lines are now visible. One important thing to know, grid lines always apply to the whole worksheet. You can't turn them on for just part of your spreadsheet. It's all or nothing. Here are a few things worth knowing after you've enabled grid lines. First, if you've checked the grid lines box but you still can't see any lines, it's probably because some of your cells have a fill color applied. When cells have any kind of background fill, the grid lines won't show through. The solution is to remove the fill color entirely. Don't just change it to white, actually remove it completely. Once the fill is gone, you'll be able to see the grid lines again. Second, these grid lines won't print by default. If you want them to show up when you print your spreadsheet, go to the Page Layout tab, find the Sheet Options group, and under Grid Lines, check the Print checkbox. And if you want to change the color of your grid lines from that default gray, go to File, then Options, then Advanced. Scroll down to Display Options for this worksheet, and you'll find a grid line color option where you can pick whatever color you like. That's how you add column lines in Excel.